In this video, we will learn how to factorize quadratics where the coefficient of x squared is not 1. Let's start. A quadratic expression has the general form ax squared plus bx plus c. A is the leading coefficient or coefficient of x squared. B is the coefficient of x. C is the constant term. You already know how to factorize quadratics when the leading coefficient is 1. Let's review an example. We must find two numbers which have a sum of 5 and a product of 6. The two numbers are plus 3 and plus 2. Replace p by 2 and q by 3. This trinomial is factorized. But sometimes we have to factorize quadratics with the coefficient of x squared is greater than 1. Suppose we wish to factorize these trinomials. The method to factorize the quadratic expressions like this is called by splitting the middle term, because in this method we are going to split of the middle term in two factors. The procedure is as follows. Step 1. Find a times c. Find the product of first term and last term, a times c. Step 2. Find the factors of a times c which add to b. Find the factors of a times c in such a way that addition or subtraction of that factors is the middle term. Step 3. If these factors are p and q, replace bx by px plus qx. Write the center term using the sum of the two new factors, including the proper signs. In short, splitting the middle term. Step 4. Group the four terms to form two pairs. Step 5. Factorize each pair by finding common factors. Step 6. Factorize out the common binomial. Let's see how it works. Let's factorize this trinomial. Step 1. Find a times c. In this case, 2 times minus 7 is minus 14. Step 2. Find the factors of a times c which add to b. Let's write down the factors of minus 14. What factors of minus 14 add to give us 5? The answer is minus 2 and 7. Step 3. If these factors are p and q, replace bx by px plus qx. Replace 5x by minus 2x plus 7x. Group the four terms to form two pairs. Factorize each pair by finding common factors. Factorize out the common binomial. This trinomial is factorized. Another example. Let's factorize this trinomial. Find a times c. 8 times 1 is 8. Write down the factors of 8. The factors of 8 that add to 6 is 2 and 4. Replace 6x by 2x plus 4x. Group the four terms to form two pairs. Factorize each pair by finding the common factors. Factorize out the common binomial. It's done. The next example you should try to solve by yourself and then check the full resolution. If you enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask or suggest anything. I will be grateful.